Hi guys, today on Crafty CJ I'm going to be showing you some weird noises I make. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to Crafty CJ. Thumbs up! And today's question is, what was my first song that I've ever put it on YouTube? So, I'll see you next time. Bye!